Did you know that you can have Excel automatically update a table based on any changes to a text or CSV file? First, in the toolbar at the top, go to Data. Then on the left, click on From Text/CSV, select the file, and then Transform Data. This will bring up a new window where you can format everything in the file to be exactly how you want it when Excel puts it in your spreadsheet. You can rename columns, add or remove columns or rows, combine multiple columns into one, and much more. When you're done, simply click Close and Load under the Home tab at the top. Now you have a table that will automatically update based on any changes to the original CSV or text file just by clicking the Refresh button. If this was helpful or new information for you, follow us at Spreadsheet Nerds for even more tips and tricks in the future, and repost to help others in your network with their spreadsheet problems. Let our team of nerds help you solve your next business spreadsheet or data issue, so get in touch today for a free consultation to see how we can save you time and money with custom solutions.